ban wanra ya ka met ka bakoj bakhia pat ban lai na ki jingpang jingshitom da ka ban milin ban kilan men lani yoga ka District Ayush Society Ribhoi District Kalarakhe ya ka International Day of Yoga kabakhat ar nin kasngi ha State Sports Council Nongpoh ha kani ka jingrakhe lapan longi ki program ba pher halor ka phang yoga for health and aging ha ka baki pajba kilayo bani Shimbynta ha ka jing penmilin yoga ban pen klanya ka met ka phat ba de ka jingmut jing perkhan ha kani ka sngi lawan bani Shimbynta do MLA ka Nongpoh uba meral bonds im ka MDC jong ka Nongpoh ka kong rona khamde ki samla pulena Ribhoi College St Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtreu ki medical officer jong ka District Ayush Society lembar ki we.
Despite of our busy schedule as a student, as a parent, as a farmer, as a businessman, as a politician, as a professional in all your profession, it is very important that we have to ensure ourselves to have a good health. We have seen many young people engage themselves in various sports activities, and we have seen nowadays, since this mantra, I must say, that has been launched by the government of India to observe the International Yoga Day, in which the Honorable Prime Minister of our country has led from the front, in which various countries in the world, they understand the importance of yoga. Today we are here to ensure that each and every one of us who are present here, we will be in the habit that every day we should do yoga. And it is important to relieve ourselves from various tensions in life that we are encounter in our day-to-day life. We understand, myself as a politician also, even Kong also will witness, it is not an easy task for us also, a huge of challenges that we have to be bear in mind, physically, mentally. But I'm not wrong to say, even though I'm not an expert in yoga, but in few physical exercise every morning, it helps me a lot by doing a free hand exercise at home. I understand, I feel some relief out of it. So we must pledge, each and every one of us, to ensure that we should do yoga for the benefit of each and every one of us. Physically, mentally, we should be fit, irrespective of the background we come, irrespective of the lifestyle we have, the food habit that we used to, but we have to ensure that yoga is important, and we have to ensure not only to ourselves, friends, relatives, children at home, we will follow this process, which is very important to each and every one.